Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. So starting from today, I will be doing a series of videos on one of my favorite brands, The Ordinary. Suzuki, he's looking a little bit different because he's had a big haircut in the weekend. Yeah, all his wool, he's got Angora wool, so all his wool has been cut, but they will grow back. Given a couple of weeks, his wool will be looking really plush. All my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. Hence, I have to split them up into a series. And if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. Um, we will get on with the video. Hi, The Ordinary. So I'm just going to show you. These are my ordinary products, The Ordinary products. So I do use The Ordinary, and there's a lot in here. Some of them are, you can see, there's a lot. You can buy them either online or at the physical store here at Farmers Department Store in New Zealand. So today I just want to, these are all my own personal experience, my own personal guideline for using The Ordinary products. Guideline number one for me is I don't layer 8 to 9 serums all at once, or even 4 to 5 serum all at once. I layer 2 serums maximum, and then my moisturizer and sunblock. So I don't do 4 serums. If you talk to any dermatologist, they will tell you that, it is difficult enough for whatever serum or ingredients you put on top of your skin for them to travel through into your dermis, to go through. So if you put one serum after another, the ones on the top will just be wasted. Just a personal opinion. They're just sitting on top of the other. They are just, it takes time for them to travel through the other serums, travel through your pores, and then from then has to travel through into your dermis. So if you Google or even talk to any dermatologist, they will tell you that our skin is a bit like brick, the brick that you use to build a house. And it takes a while for the actual ingredients to travel through deep into your skin. And so if you layer too much serum on top of the other, you're just really wasting them. They're just really sitting on the top. Guideline number 2 from me is that I do not mix my vitamin A, vitamin B, or vitamin C together. The 3 vitamins tend to counteract the other or deactivate the other. So vitamin A, your retinoic acid, I tend to use them at night and just at night alone. Vitamin B, your niacinamide or B3 or B5, I also use them alone. Your vitamin C, I also use them alone. So it's pretty much gold standard that you use your retinol or retinoic acid. I use the Grand Active Retinoic Acid by The Ordinary, and I use them at night alone or on its own. And the vitamin C, I use a different brand for my vitamin C, which I use during the day, because vitamin C is a great antioxidant, and I don't put any other vitamins with my vitamin C. So when I finish my vitamin C jar or bottle, I'll go to my vitamin B, and that's it. I don't mix those 3 together. And my guideline number 3 for using The Ordinary products is that these jars are just serums. They're not moisturizers or sunblocks. So having put this onto your skin, you still personally put on a moisturizer and a sunblock. The moisturizer, most moisturizers are made of plant or seed oil. And what moisturizers do is that they'll just lock in all the moisture in your skin, especially for us here in New Zealand or Australia, where the weather can be really dry in summer, or even in winter, the wind can be really dry and arid and can really dehydrate our skin. So after you put on your serum, make sure you have a good moisturizer on top. And then you always finish your every skincare routine with a sunblock. And there are plenty of really good sunblocks out there in the market. So here are my 3 guidelines for using the Ordinary products. I know there's a lot of confusion sometimes and even misunderstandings. So I hope that is helpful. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about the specific Ordinary products that I use that I find to be useful, and I hope that you benefit from them. So thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. I post a skincare video every Monday and Thursday, and all my skincare videos are 5 minutes long. I think that's all for today. See you guys next time. Bye.